Hello, my name is Anissa Siva Prasetyo with NIM 230203211200026. I'm from Agribusiness Class A. To Mr. Tio, whom I respect as a lecturer in English course, here I will present my work on the report text and detail internet. Okay, living in the area of digitalization is certainly to stranger to the internet. Both young and old people are definitely familiar with the internet, and most of them must have become loyal internet users. The internet is one of the technologies of a communication network that can connect one electronic device to another with the support of the standard protocol, namely STPC, Transmission Control Protocol, or IP, Internet Protocol, so that users can get easy and fast access. The internet has created various networks in the world that are used in the various fields such as education, business to government. Currently, the internet has become a basic human need that cannot be replaced. Most human activities can now be quickly accessed via the internet. In addition, the internet is starting to grow rapidly because of the sophistication and convenience it provides to be able to access information and communicate anywhere and anytime. From the internet, we can access various kinds of information and the latest news easily. Good news about social issues, industry, business, education, and even political or government issues can be viewed transparently through the internet. Many countries use this internet network to speed up the process of delivering the latest information to the public online. The online media used is usually in the form of social media, which is very commonly used by people. Everyone is currently being monitored online all the time on their social media, so many of them also prefer to get latest information or news online, such as through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and other social media. All information can be accessed online with the convenience of this internet network. But not infrequently, there are still many people who consume information or get the last news not online but with old media such as TV, radio, and print. As can be seen from the percent difference in the use of media as a source of information from two different countries, namely is Canada and Australia. In Canada, the leading media for people to access information and news is TV media, then followed by online media with a percent difference are not more than 4%. The next position is print media, radio, and some other that are not yet known from certain. Compared to Australia, where more than half of the people choose the access information and news online with the convenience of their internet network. Then the media other than online that is often used is through TV, followed by print media, radio, and some other are not yet clear that media is used to access information and news. The use of media to access information and news varies from country to country. This is influenced by various factors such as socio-cultural culture, economic condition, government political condition, and what is certain is the influence of the era of globalization. Some people use online media because of the demand of the times, and others still use old media because of their own belief about the what gives from access to the media. So the difference in the use of media to access information and news is not a big problem. Whatever media is used, the most important thing is that the information to be conveyed can be received properly and correctly. Well, maybe that's all I can say. If there is a wrong word, I apologize. That is all, and thank you. Bye bye.